Mag-spill ka.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This time we'll do island hopping. First stop natin ngayon, nandito tayo sa Naked Island. Hindi kailangan magbubad, pero sobrang hubad yung kagandahan ng island na to guys. Guys, this is our second stop. Tayo magla-lunch. Pupudol fight tayo ng seafood later on. So, tara, enjoy natin yung island. Let's go!